Saw something today that I wanted to show you on our surveys of driveways and parking lots and that type of thing that we saw in this front yard that we're measuring the driveway for. And I'm so fascinated by it. A buffalo with two coyotes made out of metal. And I love outdoor yard sculptures, that kind of stuff, especially ones that are done well. And this one was. And I really don't know how well it was done, but I liked it, and I thought it was kind of cool, and I thought I'd show it to you guys that sometimes we'll come across things as we're doing driveways and parking lots and concrete and paving repair and that type of thing. And this was one that I was really happy to see. Yeah, and I'm sorry the sun kind of got in the way, and I couldn't get over the far side. It was kind of muddy, but this was more of a close-up of it, and it's all done in metal, and then the cut up metal was their fur and their tails, and it was really quite a treat. So there you go, metal buffalo and coyotes on our driveway and pavement repair adventures. Thanks for watching.